eyes hypnotize तेरी कर दी है मैनू I swear छोटी ड्रेस में लग दी मैनू Indian education system ना is flawed. Okay, India means studies का अड्डा बुर्जे they didn't kept here. And yeah, if there are any teachers watching this video, why did you come? Everything is a joke. Okay, take it as a joke. So I'm 17 right now. Okay, so I've been through all this Indian schooling system and stuff. I'm sure most of you must have been through it also. Hashtag relatable content. In India, you'll go to one school means more than knowledge, they'll give you banda books. This banda fat books they'll stuff in your mouth for reading. If you're thinking these books are given for education means, you're absolutely wrong. This banda books they'll give. Okay, fine. But that banda books only, they'll ask us to memorize. Full 45 you have to do it seems. That to line atta. Biscuit also I'll do re appa. Like this only will keep going means Indian buildings in future won't look like this. They look more like this. Yes, excuse me. You only engineer, huh? Yeah, sir. You only built this one, huh? Yeah, I only built all this. Which engineering college, ma? Oh, college, ah. Sri Sailam Venkata Engineering College. Oh. Not your mistake. Here it doesn't matter if you're good at anything other than studies. Again, don't come and say, okay, my passion, my heart, my dream, my heart is telling me to go there, my heart is telling me to do that. Ganta passion, big passion it seems. People are dying of corona, passion you want, huh? This is India, okay? Nothing of that sort is going to happen. Shut up, go and study. Again, if your grades are not good means, you'll be called worthless, shameless, nameless, jobless. Basically, one idiot-less fellow will become. Again, if you fail and come now, your parents will send you to orphanage and make you parentless also. Better do some nice dance or sing a song, better. One beta full without telling me while you're growing up. So beta, what's your J-Man's percentile in maths? Uncle, mine means some 93 percentile like that will be, uncle. But 93 is not at all enough for IIT. But uncle, I want to become an actor. No beta, it's pronounced as doctor. So let me tell you how a day in an Indian school goes by. Everyone knows how it starts. Yeah, that torture only, that headache only, that circus only. Yeah, you're right.
School assemblies.
In that much hot sun they'll make you stand. Front fellow will be farting, back fellow will be burping on your neck, side fellows will be scratching their sankas like this and showing it to each other.
This much will be happening.
On stage one more, choir will be murdering songs.
We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday.
Mom, can I go to washroom? Hey, don't lie. What bunking assembly you want to do, huh?
Mom, stomach is aching, mom. Please, mom.
Bunking, hey. Go back and stand in the line.
Mom, headache is coming, stomach is aching, body is also paining, mom.
Hey, go stand and sing the prayer. A prayer over, ma. Eyes open. You know, when did I totally lose it? They called us one day for assembly. They made us sing the prayer. Then they made us sing the national anthem. Then they asked us to get lost. Every school has that one teacher जिसको English नहीं आती पर फिर भी laughed as if he got PhD in literature and came. In our school, it was our yoga sir. One day, this happened.
Hey, you. here. Come here, you only.
Yes, sir.
What doing in class, you rubbish, nonsense, naughty things?
Sir, that boy hit me, sir.
Why that boy hitting you?
Eventually.
See, next time if any boy, girl come hit you means, tell me. I come and give one hit. Dekho, you are good boys. Don't spread naughtiness here and there.
Okay, sir.
One things, always remember you boy. Don't show internal. Show external.
IIT.
Yeah, that happened. Last line means full I laughed, re amma. Like rolling, I laughed. Oh my god. Don't show internal, show external.
Life will be going on smoothly means an uncle will come and say,
Hey, you're in 10th, no? Our boards are coming, no? Then go study.
in the starting they'll create so much hype for board exams, and when you write it and get your results now, it'll be like, why we wasted that much time for studying this much? उस uncle को नहीं छोड़ते रहे, I won't leave that uncle. He wasted 1 year of mine. पूरा 1 साल बर्बाद कर दिया उसने. Exams means two things are very common. One is copying, the other is betrayal. One day before the exam, I'll call and ask my friend, bro, did you study, bro? No, I didn't even touch the book. Okay, then we'll fail exam together. Okay, set to plan. We'll fail and we'll rag juniors like raggers. Now that same fellow in the exam hall, like Bakra fellows, he'll be asking for additional. He won't even make eye contact with you. He forget eye contact. He won't even know who you are at that time. Again, if he sees you, means he has to tell something. Again, why he studied, why you didn't study. And yeah, now about copying. There are three kinds of people. The first ones are, they won't know the answer. They'll tell you the wrong answer with full confidence. Second ones are, they act as if they want to help you, but they don't. That is also fine. Third kind of people are the worst. Every time they won't let others also copy, they also won't copy. Every time they'll be, sir, this girl is copying. Sir, this boy is copying. Sir, I am copying. Sir, you are copying. Free time, so much is left now. So I did this. Watch. So guys, today we are going on an interview. We are going to interview many people. Okay, here is Oak Ridge student.
Eventually.
So can you tell me a bit about your ambition? Let me think. My dad has the money. I have an Audi. I already have a girlfriend. I don't see the point of an ambition here. Ambition, Ante? Ambition means getting pass marks in board exam. Hey, Fiji student. Where are you going? IIT. Hello? Results came and tell me how much I got, Ray. Okay, you're sending video. Okay, send. This is Z. This is a row. Put it together. 0. Don't leave me. What, Nana? Again 0, Hey guys, so hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave a like down, and if possible, if you have enough time, leave a comment. And also, please share it with as many people as possible. I really need your help for reaching till 1000 subs. Please. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit it, punch it, something you do. Go away, waste fellow, subscribe. So yeah, the message is, if you have any dream, strive for it, strive to achieve it. If you have anything, like if you want to become an actor, a dancer, anything, just go right now and tell your parents that this is your dream and you want to achieve it. Like I always say, like what you do and do what you like. That's all. Okay, that's it for today, guys. See you in the next one.